Welcome another lesson on tryhackme for beginners. What is networking? Networking are simply things connected. For example, your friendship circle. You are connected because of similar interests, hobbies, skills, and sorts. Networks can be found in all walks of life. A city public transportation system infrastructure such as the national power grid for electricity, meeting and greeting neighbors, postal systems for sending letters and parcels. Okay, you can read everything what they write. And what is a key term for devices that are connected? It is networking. Network. What is the internet? Everybody knows how to internet, how it works, and what does it mean, World Wide Web. And who invented World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. Okay. Identifying devices on a network. That's interesting. That's a fundamental skills for networking. Every computer which connect to internet has IP address, or maybe you can't connect to internet, but you have small network. Your computer has IP address and MAC address. What does it mean? IP address is a address how we can find the computer on network. And MAC address is a physical address which can't change, but you can change some with some tools. I will show you for the future how to change in education purpose exactly how it's possible to change MAC address. Devices on all network will all have a physical network interface, which is a microchip board found on the device's motherboard. This network interface is assigned a unique address at the factory it was built at, called MAC address, Media Access Control Address. This an example how identify MAC address. Okay, what does an IP standard internet protocol? What is section of called? It is octet. Okay, open is this one. For example, we have two computers, they have IP address, they have MAC address. What can we do? We can copy and paste to here and request. Hey, we got this one. For you, what does MAC term? How many section digits on IP? It's 4. What does the term MAC stand for? Media access control, and we find CTF. Okay, ping, ICMP. Ping is one of the most fundamental network tools. Yes, ping uses ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocols, packet to determine the performance of a connection between devices. For example, if the connection exists is reliable. Okay. The time taken for ICMP packets traveling between devices is measured by ping, such as screenshot below. Yes. For example, let's ping 10, 10, 10. Ping. Okay. What we need, for example, if we need the flag, we must ping hey, we have our pinged server. Yeah, you are correct. Answer. Okay, it's a short lesson. I will hope it's helpful for your future. If you like our video, just click to like and share or follow. See you on next lesson.